Hey, this is Mike, and today's stock of the day is Altria Group. This stock trades on the NYSE under the symbol MO. For those who've been investing for a while, you know that Altria used to be Philip Morris, one of the nation's largest and one of the world's largest tobacco makers. Now, the reason why I am talking about Altria Group today and not the usual sort of small cap stocks that I usually talk about is that a lot of times when the market begins to correct and the small cap stocks begin to go down, a lot of people get nervous and they want to start dumping all their stocks. And my solution has always been if you're nervous during times of correction, you need to sort of spread out your risk and not have as many stocks in sort of the small cap area, so many speculative stocks. So it's a good idea to have more value oriented stocks. And during my research, I found that Altria Group is a stock that's not only delivering some incredible dividend almost 7%, but Altria Group is making new 52-week highs almost every day. The stock closed with gains of 2.45% yesterday. With its 52-week high of 49.95, so it's right up there on its 52-week high. You look over the past month, the stock has been doing exceptionally well, and over the past 6 months, it's been doing really well. Now, if you go over the past year, you see it has been in sort of a trading range, and it has been breaking out, and I think it's been breaking out because we did have that correction a week ago. Now, we're going into the seasonally strong time for energy, but after that, we're going into the summer months, and the summer months can sometimes be pretty weak for stocks. That's when you see a lot of rotation into value stocks. So if you're looking for something that can kind of shore up your portfolio for the next 6 to 12 months, I think Altria Group is a good stock to have. Also, if you're just looking to generate some income, I mean, this is a stock that pays nearly 7%, and Altria, they really position themselves as a stock that's really good for more conservative portfolios or people who just want to generate income. And the fact that that Altria Group is breaking out, I think there's going to be more people coming into this stock, especially during the summer months when I predict that we will probably have not as great returns that we've been having in the stock market over the past several months. So I definitely want you to check out Altria Group. But I also find intriguing if you're looking for this stock as a long-term play is that Altria has this sort of 10-year mission statement that they're going to try to transition away, not completely, but in tradition away from being dependent on tobacco products, looking for sort of smokeless tobacco products or different types of ways to make money that's just not dependent on tobacco because, you know, they're always going to be sued and they're going to have that sort of risk on their back. So you see, to achieve their vision, they say they're going to lead the industry in responsibility in preventing underage use of adult products, develop and expand our portfolio of FDA-authorized non-combustible products, and actively convert adult smokers, maximize the profitability of our combustible products while appropriately balancing investments in Marlboro with funding growth of non-combustible portfolio and investing in manufacturing employees and facilities to enable to be manufacturers of choice for Altria's current and future portfolio of tobacco products. So you can see they have a way to sort of de-risk themselves from, you know, the liability of being a tobacco company while still being able to generate an incredible amount of dividends for their investors. And the PE ratio is about 20, which is actually really good for this market that seems to be continuing to rise and rise. So if you're worried about, you know, if you went through the last correction and you were really nervous about your portfolio, and you know, maybe consider, because cash is not going to be the best place to be, as I'm going to talk about in my other video today about, I believe that inflation will be coming soon. You're going to want to be into something that's going to be able to generate cash and be able to put your money to work. And so, like I said, look to Altria Group. Look to, you know, in general, just a good value stock that pays a high dividend and has a respectable PE ratio. That'll definitely balance out your portfolio during times of corrections or times of volatility in the market. So definitely check out Altria Group. Once again, it trades on the NYC under the symbol MO. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like. I do daily updates on stocks, stock trading strategies, and market updates. Thanks a lot. Bye.